Morning, everyone. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to work out this question for this problem. Okay, it involves drawing quadrilaterals on the same pair of axes. Okay, so for this question, you need a graph paper similar to this. Okay, you need a pencil and a ruler, preferably a long ruler, and you also need a protractor for answering some questions, some of these questions. Okay, so for the following questions, draw a set of x's taking values of x from -8 to 8 and values of y from -7 to 7. Draw each shape on the same pair of x's. So what do we have to do here? So on your graph paper, we're going to draw a set of x's, okay? And you're going to go up from, again, because there was a mistake here. So on the x-axis, you're going to draw values from -8 up till 8. Okay, you see the number line on the x-axis, and the y-axis should involve values from -7 going up till 7. Okay, therefore, this should help you out in preparing your graph paper. Let me arrange these for you because I use this in another example. Okay, so this should be your -1, this -2, this is -3, -4, -5, -6, and minus. And there you have your set of x. Okay, so let us first read this question. Draw a square ABCD with vertices A 3, 3, B 3, 6, C 6, 3, and D 6, 6. Okay, so let us draw the vertices of our square here. Okay, so here we have 3, 3. So 3, 3. Let me write another color for you. Okay, so first you find 3 on the x-axis and you go up 3. And this should be your point. Okay, and you can name it A. B is found on 3, 6. Okay, so you find 3 and you go up 6, which is here. Okay. C is at 6, 3. So find 6 and you go up 3. Okay, just here. Okay, you name it C. And D is found at 6, 6. So 6 and you go up 6. And there you have your square. Always join the dots, okay? When he tells you to. So here you have to join from A, sorry, from A till B, okay, to form your square. Okay, so you have to join all dots to form your square. Okay, now the next question is that which side is parallel to AB? Now, the side AB is this one. Okay, now we have to find its parallel side. Okay, the side which is parallel to it. Parallel meaning that there are two sides, okay, they are going up or down at the same direction. However, these two lines, they never meet. Okay, so parallel to AB is CD. You see these two lines? If I elongate these lines, they never meet. Therefore, CD is parallel to AB. Okay, are BC and AD parallel? So BC is this one, and AD is this one, meaning they are the diagonals of the square. In this case, no, they cannot be parallel. Okay, if I draw them for you, so BC is this line and AD is this line. If you can see, they are not parallel because they are intersecting at some point here. Okay, therefore, here, no. Okay, so these two lines are not parallel. Letter B, what is the size of each angle of the square? So, as you can see, each angle here is 90 degrees automatically. However, please always use a protractor to help you out in figuring the angles of each of the square. Okay, so here you have your protractor. You can put the center of the protractor on one point and measure the angle. As you can see here, okay, our zero is here. You go up until you meet the 90 degrees. This angle here, angle A, is 90 degrees. You can also see that this angle is also 90 degrees. See, okay, if I rotate my protractor, okay, you can see that B is also 90 degrees. And if I do the same thing, I put my center on D and I rotate my protractor again, I can see that D is also 90 degrees. Okay, so that should be my answer. Okay, what is the size of each angle? Each angle is 90 degrees. Question 2, on the same axis. Okay, draw a kite STUV with vertices -8, -5. Okay, so let me start drawing it for you. So we have -8, which is here, and you go down -5. Go down 5. Okay, so your S point is here. Then we have T -4, 4. So -4 on the x-axis, you go up 4. Okay, so that is our T. Then you have U, 0 -5. Okay, so we go on the origin and you go down at -5, which is here. Okay, so that is our U. And then we have V, -4, -7. So -4 on the x-axis, you go down -7. Okay, always keep straight when going down or up. Okay, so you don't miss any values on the axis. So that was -4, -7. And then you join the points, okay, in order to make up a kite. Okay, when you join, please don't use dotted lines. You have to use solid lines, okay, because this is going to produce us a shape, not an imaginary shape. Okay, a solid shape. Okay, and then we have our kite. Okay, so that part is ready. Now, are there any sides which are parallel? So, are there any two lines, like these two lines, that when I elongate them, they never meet? Okay, so in our case, the kite has no parallel lines. Okay, for example, if I take this line, UV, okay, it is not parallel to this. Since if I make this line longer, ST, I make it longer, and this one as well, they should meet up at some point. Even this, SV and TU, they are not parallel, okay, because if I make them longer, they should meet at some point. Therefore, there are no parallel lines. Okay, so no sides are parallel. Now measure and write down the size of the angles, which angles are equal. Okay, so first we have to measure the angle. So let us measure S. Again, you have to use the protractor. Okay, you put the 0 point, the center of your protractor on S, okay, you rotate the protractor so that this line, the 0 line, okay, is seen on one of your lines. For example, mine, the 0 line is here. You see, it is exactly on the line as me, right? So my 0 is here, and I start reading my protractor from down here. So 0, okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. As you can see here, okay, S has formed a 90-degree angle. Alright, so here we can write it down on it. Right? So angle S here is 90 degrees. Okay, you can write this symbol, okay, meaning that angle S is 90 degrees, or else you can write it like this. Okay, angle, this means angle S, okay, it is just a symbol. Alright, so now we have another example. So we have to find, um, sorry, I have to remove this for you. Okay, so it looks better. Alright, so we have to find angle V. Alright, again, you put the center, the point of your protractor on V. You put the 0 line, okay, on one of your lines. Where is your 0? You have to start from that. That is your starting point. So you have to start reading from here. Okay, so 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, and here, as I can see, it is exactly between 120 and 130. Okay, let me try and zoom in for you so you can watch your protractor more properly. Okay, so I have read from here 0. Okay, I have to go around the protractor, and here I have stopped, okay, to find this obtuse angle. Therefore, my angle here is between 120 and 130. Therefore, my answer should be 125. Okay, so here my angle is 125. Okay, we can write this down. So that was angle V. Okay, here V was 120 degrees. Now the other two angles, okay, so I need to find angle U. Again, put your protractor on the point. Let me zoom in for you. Okay, so this point is on my point U, angle U. Okay, you put your 0 degree line. Okay, you put your 0 degree line on one of your lines, and you have to start from where you have your 0. Okay, so here you should go up and check your values. Okay, so here I'm trying to be as exact as possible, right? So here I should have my answer. Okay, my angle is 95 degrees. I need to check this because this should be 95 as well. Okay, because you know that in a kite, this angle and this angle should be the same. Okay, let me check again. Okay, this will help you out in figuring. Yes, okay, it was from my part that I haven't noticed my protractor. Okay, Since I am using a computer, it will be a bit difficult um, to be as exact as possible. Okay, so here he is showing me that it is 92 degrees. Okay, it should be 95. Let me try and put it as 95. They have to be the same thing. Okay, this is just an error since I am using a computer. Right, when you draw with a pencil and ruler, you should get the same answer. Okay, so this angle, you can arrange it. All right, can make it look as 95, and this angle as well. Right, here I'm trying to make it as close as possible, and now it is getting me 92. This was 92 or 93. Okay, you can choose the 93. If I check this again, right, this got us a 93 as well. Alright, so please go back to arrange this, alright, so that there will be no errors in our problem. Okay, so angle S, please arrange it. Let us do it 93. Okay, since we need to be a bit exact here, right? And angle U here is also 93. Right? And now we have our last angle here. We have angle T. Okay, so you put your protractor, the point, this point, the center on the point T. You turn, you rotate your protractor until I have my zero line on this, on one of my lines. Then you have to read from your zero up until here. Okay, so here we have 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45 is this one, 46, 47, 48, 49. And there we have our 49-degree angle. It is not exactly on 50 as you can see. Okay, so here angle T, we can mark it as 49 degrees. Okay, so that's it from me. I hope you like this video. Alright, please try to be exact when drawing lines. Always use a pencil and a ruler, and always double check your work. Okay, as it happened to me in this video. Okay, a simple error. Alright, because I have to be exact for you to help you out in figuring the angles of these shapes. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.